Welcome back. I'm Coach Parsons. It is week 3. We're going to go through some of our exercises that we are doing this week in class. And so we're going to do push-ups. We'll do our Mustang Spell out. We are going to do our curl-ups, lunges and Ironman. Lunges and Ironman is new. And so I'm going to show you what that looks like. All right, here we go. Let's do our Mustang Spell out first. Hands together. Feet together. Mustangs, are you ready? Ready. Mustangs, ready, exercise. M-U-S-T-A-N-G-S. Mustangs, 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 whoo. All right, the next one we're going to do is our push-ups. Remember, we're going to do the same amount as our H. Push-ups. Here we go. We're in our ready position. When I say down, you count out and say 1 stir. Here we go. Down. 1 stir. Down. 2 stir. Down. 3 stir. Down. 4 stir. Down. 5 stir. Down. 6 stir. Down. 7 stir. Down. 8 stir. Down. 9 stir. Down. 10 stir. Last one. Down. 11 stir. All right, we're going to do our curl-ups from last week. Remember, our hands are along our side. We're on our back. Eyes looking up the ceiling. Hands flat on the ground. I'm going to say up. You're going to count and say 1 stir. Here we go. Up. 1 stir. Up. 2 stir. Up. 3 stir. Up. 4 stir. Up. 5 stir. Up. 6 stir. Up. 7 stir. Up. 8 stir. Up. 9 stir. Up. 10 stir. Up. 11 stir. Up. 12 stir. Up. 13 stir. Up. 14 stir. Up. 15 stir. Up. 16 stir. Up. 17 stir. Up. 18 stir. Up. 19 stir. Up. 20 stir. Up. 21 stir. Up. 22 stir. All right, we are done with our curl-ups. We are going to do lunges. When I do a lunge, I'm working out my quadricep muscles mostly in my legs. I'm going to take that step. When I take that step, my knee is going to be over my ankle. My back knee is going to go down almost to the ground, and then I'm going to push myself back up. Then I'm going to switch right here, and then push myself up. Make sure it is important that your knee is over your ankle and don't have your knee over your toes. If you have your knees over your toes, you're going to hurt your knees. So make sure you step out. So here. Okay, we are going to do the same amount as your 8 in each leg. So if you're 10, you'll do 10 in each leg. All right, here we go. Down, 1 stir. Down, 2 stir. Down, 3 stir. Down, 4 stir. Down, 5 stir. Down, 6 stir. Down, 7 stir. Down, 8 stir. Down, 9 stir. Down, 10 stir. Down, 11 stir. Down, 12 stir. Down, 13 stir. Down, 14 stir. Down, 15 stir. Down, 16 7. Down, 17 7. Down, 18 7. Down, 19 7. Down, 27. Down, 21 7. Down, 22 7. We're gonna do Ironman. Ironman is gonna work on our fitness gram. It's working on our flexibility in our trunk. And so we're gonna be on our stomach. Ironman, we're gonna have our palms to the sky. Our feet are gonna be on the floor. We're gonna raise up, keep our hands, our fingers on the floor. We're gonna raise up, and then back down. Raise up, and back down. You should feel it, your lower back and glutes. We're gonna do the same amount as our age. Here we go. Up, 1 serve. Don't tuck your chin to your chest. Make sure you're looking at a point in front of you. Up, 2 serve. Up, 3 serve. Up, 4 serve. Up, 5 serve. Up, 6 serve. Up, 7 serve. Up, 9 serve. Up, 10 serve. Last one. Up, 11 serve. All right, we are doing our jump squats to finish this up for week 3. Hands to the ground. Big chest, flat back. Up, 1 serve. Up, 2 serve. Up, 3 serve. Up, 4 serve. Up, 5 serve. Up, 6 serve. Up, 7 serve. Up, 8 serve. Up, 9 serve. Up, 10 serve. Up, 11 serve. All right. Those are our exercises for this week. Get them all in at one time, or you can split it up during the day. I'm Coach Parsons. So excited to be here with you. Have a great week. Can't wait to see you next time. Love you. Till next time. Peace.